whenever the zombie apocalypse were to hit, as long as we have access to YouTube, I think we're going to be quite alright. You can pretty much figure out how to do anything on YouTube. I would add a little to the fray today. I got this 93 Volvo 240. I've had it a couple years now. And the other day I came out to crank it and turned the key and nothing happened. It was as if the battery is dead, but however the battery was not dead. Well, I got to do some research and figure it out. Apparently the shifter switch on these cars can go bad, and that's the switch that keeps the car from starting if it's not in park. My research basically told me I had two options when it came to fixing this. I could either, one, replace the switch that has gone bad on this shifter. The second option was to literally bypass that switch altogether. But this solution's working, so I thought I'd share it with you guys, and it was extremely easy. Basically what you do is you run a jumper wire from a little connector that I'll show you in just a second in this vicinity of your firewall down to the starter. This is what that plug looks like on mine. Got this red wire coming out of it. Follow the red wire. It goes down there. To the starter. This solution allowed it to start right up. Of course, this will also allow it to start in park, drive, reverse, neutral, first gear, second gear, whatever.